Hello, fellow amps. This is Big T, the amputee, talking about shrinkers and the importance of shrinkers and how to properly use them. When you first have your surgery, your stump is like this big, or at least it feels this big, but we got to get it narrow and smaller and have it to shrink. That's why we have a shrinker. So I'm going to take my leg off and show you how to properly put on a shrinker. Now, like I said, you get your shrinker at the beginning after you properly healed from your surgery. When you probably get a couple of these from your prosthetist. So while you're wearing one, the other one, you want to take care of it. So just wash it with some gentle soap, hand wash it, and then just let it air dry. And that's the proper maintenance for your shrinker. Don't forget, click on our channel, subscribe, make a comment on there also, and as always, with a shrinker, continue living that amped up life. Talk to you soon.